Hi, I'm FL Patel, the managing attorney at FL Patel Law PLLC. If you're ready to buy a business, here are some things to consider. Once you've found the business that you're interested in purchasing, then it's time to figure out how you're going to finance the purchase. If you've secured financing, then you will want to come to an agreement on this purchase price and the terms of the sale with the seller. The next thing will be to prepare a purchase and sale agreement. The purchase and sale agreement can be done as a stock sale or an asset sale. If you're going to be purchasing a business, an asset purchase is highly recommended. This means that you'll purchase the assets of the business but will not take on any liabilities of the seller unless you agree. Once the purchase and sale agreement is executed, the buyer has limited time to perform due diligence. During due diligence, the buyer will investigate the accuracy of the information provided by the seller, review customer contracts, books and records of the business, and any other information the buyer will need to make the buyer feel comfortable with the purchase. If during the due diligence phase, the buyer decides that they do not want to purchase the business, they can generally cancel the agreement and walk away from the deal without any penalties. After the due diligence phase expires, then you cannot cancel the agreement without giving up your earnest money deposit, generally. After the due diligence phase is complete, the parties will facilitate the closing ceremony, where the buyer will pay the purchase price to the seller and the seller will sign over the title of the assets and execute any other documents to effectuate the transaction. There may be other items that you may need to take care of after the closing. So if you're ready to purchase a business, schedule a strategy call with us to plan out the business acquisition. This includes deciding on the upper limits of how much you're willing to pay, what kind of business entity you should form, and how you'll fund the purchase, among other things. If you're ready to purchase a business, give us a call to protect your interests.